This is Brenda's Desserts from around the world, and today's destination is Mexico. I'll be trying a recipe for arroz con leche. So let's get started. To start, you're going to need 2 cups and a half of water. Two cinnamon sticks. Now we're just going to let this simmer for 10 minutes on medium heat. So it's been about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of rice, and I have washed this rice already. Now we're going to cover this and let the rice cook. So the rice is now cooked. It took like between 10 to 15 minutes. And make sure your heat's on low when you're cooking it. I have 2 cups of milk. Stir that in. And from there, you're gonna add 1 can of condensed milk, and this is 14 ounces. This is sweetened condensed milk. And this is optional, half a cup of sugar. I like it really sweet, so I'm gonna add that. Stir that together. From there, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of vanilla. Now I'm gonna let this simmer on low for 10 minutes. Make sure you're stirring because you don't want the rice sticking on the bottom. Some people like to add raisins. You can if you want to. So it's been about like 15 minutes and this should be ready. Depends how thick you want it. This is consistency I like it. If you don't like it this thick, you can always add more milk. Depends on how you like it. So I'm gonna take it off the heat and let it cool down. So my arroz con leche has cooled down. Now it's time just to put it in a cup. So after you put it in a cup, get some cinnamon and just sprinkle on top. And if you want to be fancy, you put a cinnamon stick for decoration. Now it's ready. Time for a taste test. This roast con leche came out so delicious. Some people like to add raisins to it. I'm not a fan of raisins in it. Some people like to eat it warm or even cold. All depends on you. Super easy recipe to make. Encourage you guys to try it and comment below. Totally give this dessert 10 out of 10. And like always, I see you guys in my next destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe.